Dental crowns, cost comparison between Europe and Turkey. Dental crowns are a common dental procedure that many people around the world require at some point in their lives. Whether it's due to tooth decay, damage, or simply wanting to improve the appearance of their smile, dental crowns are often a necessary treatment. However, the cost of dental crowns can vary significantly depending on where you are in the world. In this article, we will explore the cost comparison between Europe and Turkey for dental crowns. Europe is known for having some of the highest healthcare costs in the world, and dental procedures are no exception. In countries like Germany, the UK, and France, the average cost of a dental crown can range from a 500 to a 1000, depending on the material used and the complexity of the procedure. For many people, this high cost can be a barrier to receiving the dental care they need. On the other hand, Turkey has emerged as a popular destination for dental tourism in recent years. The country boasts a high standard of dental care, with many dentists trained in Europe or the US, but at a much more affordable price. In Turkey, the average cost of a dental crown can range from a 150 to a 300, making it a much more cost-effective option for many individuals. One of the main reasons for the low cost of dental crowns in Turkey is the low cost of living and labor in the country. This allows dentists to offer high-quality services at a fraction of the cost compared to their European counterparts. Additionally, Turkey has invested heavily in modern dental technology and equipment, ensuring that patients receive top-notch care at an affordable price. Another factor that contributes to the low cost of dental crowns in Turkey is the currency exchange rate. The Turkish lira has weakened significantly in recent years, making it even more affordable for foreign patients to receive dental treatment in the country. This has led to a surge in dental tourism in Turkey, with many patients traveling from Europe and beyond to take advantage of the cost savings. In terms of quality, there is no compromise when it comes to dental care in Turkey. Many dentists in the country have received their training in prestigious institutions in Europe or the US and are well versed in the latest techniques and technologies. Additionally, dental clinics in Turkey adhere to strict hygiene standards and protocols to ensure the safety and well-being of their patients. When considering where to get a dental crown, it is important to weigh the cost against the quality of care you will receive. While Europe may offer reputable dental facilities, the high cost can be a deterrent for many individuals. On the other hand, Turkey provides an affordable alternative without sacrificing quality or expertise. In conclusion, the cost of dental crowns in Europe and Turkey varies significantly, with Turkey offering a more cost-effective option for many individuals. With high-quality care, modern technology, and a favorable exchange rate, Turkey has become a popular destination for dental tourism. If you are in need of a dental crown and looking to save money without compromising on quality, consider exploring your options in Turkey. Your smile and your wallet will thank you.